Here's a unique recipe for a mayo-roasted Thanksgiving turkey with gravy. Mayo-roasted Thanksgiving turkey with gravy. Ingredients. For the turkey. 1. 1 whole turkey 12–15 pounds. 2. 1 cup mayonnaise. 3. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 4. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 5. 2 teaspoons garlic powder. 6. 2 teaspoons onion powder. 7. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 8. Salt and black pepper to taste. 9. Fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, sage, for stuffing and garnish. For the gravy. 1. Turkey drippings. 2. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 4 cups turkey or chicken broth. 4. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the turkey. 1. Rinse the turkey under cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. 2. Season the cavity of the turkey with salt and pepper. 2. Stuff it with fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. 3. In a bowl, mix together mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper. 4. Rub the mayo mixture all over the turkey, making sure to coat it evenly. 3. Roast the turkey. 1. Place the turkey on a roasting rack in a roasting pan. 2. Roast in the preheated oven until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius in the thickest part of the thigh, usually about 15–20 minutes per pound. 3. If the skin starts to brown too quickly, tent it with aluminium foil. 4. Rest the turkey. 1. Once the turkey is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for at least 20–30 minutes before carving. 5. Prepare the gravy. 1. Place the roasting pan with the drippings on the stove over medium heat. 2. Sprinkle flour over the drippings and whisk until smooth. 3. Gradually add turkey or chicken broth, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. 4. Simmer the gravy until it thickens. 4. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. 6. Carve and serve. 1. Carve the rested turkey into slices. 2. Serve the mayo-roasted Thanksgiving turkey with the prepared gravy on the side. This mayo-roasted Thanksgiving turkey is not only moist and flavorful but also has a beautifully golden and crispy skin. The mayo mixture helps keep the turkey juicy, and the resulting gravy adds extra richness to your Thanksgiving feast. Enjoy!